We're back with the rest of my interview with the new Republican frontrunner, Herman Cain.
It is a bold plan. The reason it's bold is because this economy is on life support. This is what I had hoped that we would talk more about. And it starts with throwing out the current tax code because it is a mess, and then passing legislation with a 9% business flat tax, a 9% personal income flat tax, and a 9% sales tax. Those three would collect the same amount of revenue as personal income tax, corporate income tax, the capital gains tax, the death tax, and the payroll tax. It would be simpler and fairer to everybody, and it would provide certainty to the business community such that they could begin to plan for growth instead of planning for survival, which is what they're doing right now. Now, 999 plan is a bold plan that will boost this economy.
I'm not going to argue the point about how much revenue it would raise. You say it raises enough. Everything I've read about it shows that it raises half of the revenue that we currently raise, so you would have to cut government spending by half. But the point I want to get to in the tax part of it is...
No, Lawrence. I can't let you make a statement that is incorrect. Anybody that said that the 999 plan will only raise half of the revenue, they are dead wrong. They have changed the assumptions. We did a very careful analysis to come up with this. So I cannot let you say it's only going to raise half of the revenue, because that simply is not true. Next question.
Okay, let's go to the bottom tax bracket and how they would be affected. The lowest federal taxpayers currently pay in single digits, like 2%, 4%. They end up paying a net of about 2 or 4% of their income in federal taxes. Under your plan, the lowest income federal income taxpayers would suddenly end up paying 18% of their income in federal taxation. 9% of their income they would pay, and then they'd pay 9% on every single thing that they purchased, and they use all of their income every year to purchase it. So it would be the most dramatic increase on the working poor in this country in taxation that we have ever seen. How could you justify that?
Well, first of all, your calculations are incorrect. Remember, if they're working and they're drawing a paycheck, they are paying 15.3% off the top of their income. So relative to their income, they're going to go from 15% down to 9%. They're going to pick up a 6 percentage point gain. Now, if they are, in fact, in the lowest income bracket, that 6% will be more than enough to compensate for them spending the rest of their money and paying the sales tax on the remainder of their income. Run the numbers is what I ask people to do. Go through the arithmetic, and you will find that it is not 18%. That is an erroneous calculation, because they are not taking into account the elimination of the 15.3% payroll tax.
Herman Cain, Republican front runner for the presidency. Thank you very much for joining me tonight. Thank you for giving us extra time.
Lawrence, I would come back and have a chat with you anytime. Thank you, sir.
We will do it. I can't wait. Thank you very much. Good luck on the campaign trail.
Thank you.